everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be turning another one of my students' drawings into a polymer clay charm, and I'm attempting this drawing of a pineapple panda, so let's get started. Firstly, I'm starting off with the head, so I took some white clay and rolled it into a ball. For the ears of the panda, I made 2 teardrop shapes using the white clay, as well as 2 smaller pink ones, which I then attached on top. I used my blade to cut off the pointed end so that they could sit flat on top of the head. To help keep them nice and secure, I also blended down the edges using my needle tool. Moving on to the face details, I attached 2 black patches of clay roughly around the eye area. I then used my ball tool to create 2 indents where the eyes will go, and then added in 2 balls of white clay. For the mouth, I rolled some thin pieces of black clay and also attached on a little black nose. Now for the pineapple, I used this yellowy orange coloured clay and created the lines on the pineapple by going around and indenting it with my needle tool to create a crisscross pattern. For the leaves, I rolled out some balls of green clay and then shaped them into flat teardrop shapes on my work surface. I simply then just bunched them all together and then trimmed off the bottom to create the crown of the pineapple. Next, I connected these pieces together using some of my Sculpey Bake & Bond liquid clay to help hold everything together. I firstly added the crown to the top of the panda and then positioned the head onto the pineapple. For the arms and legs, I rolled some of the white clay into longer teardrops and then connected these to the pineapple body. I also added a little white tail on the back of the charm, and then I went ahead and baked it in my oven, as well as also adding some of my UV resin as a glaze. And then that's it. This is how it turns out and also looks in comparison to the original drawing, and I'm really happy with how it looks. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!